Let us now talk about the thrombocytes or platelets. So there are about 250,000 platelets in a cubic millimeter of blood. So yes, they are more abundant than the white blood cells, but definitely they are far less as compared to the red blood cells. So let us now talk about the platelet, like the functions that they perform and how important their occurrence is for us. So increase and decrease in the number of platelet is known as thrombocytosis and thrombocytopenia respectively. So if the blood platelets are more, that is an increased amount, it will be known as thrombocytosis. And if they are less in number, decreased, then it will be known as thrombocytopenia. The platelets are formed from the megakaryocyte, which are very large cell of the bone marrow. So definitely the site of formation of the platelets are bone marrow. The formation of thrombocyte is known as thrombopoiesis. Just like erythropoiesis and leukopoiesis, formation of platelet is known as thrombopoiesis. So here you can have the characteristic illustration. The megakaryocyte, which are the platelet producing cell in bone marrow, these are slowly giving birth to the platelets, which will finally come into the circulatory system and carry out their characteristic activity. So when an injury is caused, the blood platelets release certain chemicals which are called the platelet factor, as for example thromboplastin. So here is an illustration of what is exactly going to happen. Here an injury has happened. The platelets will release thromboplastin that is going to convert prothrombin into thrombin by help of calcium ions, and this thrombin will work for conversion of fibrinogen to fibrin. That's a protein present in the bloodstream, and fibrin forms thread-like characteristic structure, which will then prevent drainage of the blood cells. So definitely blood will not be coming out from the injured part of the vessel. So platelets have very significant function to prevent excessive bleeding from a particular body part. The platelet factors help in the clotting of blood.